When love comes in, ooh la la la. Love comes in, ooh la la la.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited because I'm gonna show you how to turn these two unfitting pants that I have been keeping in my closet forever into something that you have already seen on the intro. So I have these two pants, one from the year back in 2009 I guess. So I'm gonna mix this up too and turn them into a color block rocky pant kind of jeans. So first I'm gonna take this pant and seam rip upon all the elastic from the pant. Then I'm gonna take another light colored jeans and seam rip open or cut the sides of the jeans both sides. And also I'm gonna open the sides of these jeans as well. Then I'm gonna cut a stripe measuring 3 inches from the front part of the pant. So first I'm gonna mark a straight line and then I'm gonna cut a stripe from it. Similarly, I'm gonna cut another identical stripe and then I'm gonna cleanly cut the sides of the light shaded pants and gonna attach this stripe to the sides of the pants. Now I'm gonna attach this stripe all the way from the bottom to the waist like this, first by pinning it and then stitching it. Also, I'm gonna top stitch it to give a flat look. Since it's a low waist pant and I'm not into low waist pants, so I'm gonna add another fake waist at the upper side of the waist. Now I'm gonna take the remaining part of the jeans and I'm gonna cut a waistband out of it. So I'm gonna cut a waistband measuring 3 inches, and guys, clearly notice how I am cutting the waistband in a curved way because I want this curve to sit on my waist, and I'm gonna use this washed seam that is inside the legs to give a perfect jeans look. Then I'm gonna cut another identical waistband out of another part of the leg, and clearly notice how I am gonna join these strips. I'm gonna join both of the strips from the curved part so that it sits better on my waist. So I joined the stripes and gave top stitch to mimic the previous look on the jeans. Then I'm gonna take the waistband and join it to the existing waistband of the pants, first by measuring it and adjusting the waistband and interlocking it. After measuring and adjusting the waistband, now I'm gonna seam rip close the waistband and interlock the waistband. Then join the waistband to the waistband. It kind of sounds a bit weird, but yeah, join the waistband to the existing waistband by pinning it. So it looks somewhat like this, and I'm already so impressed with the look. Now to complete the waistband or the pant, it's add a button and a buttonhole and gonna move forward to the upper part. Now I'm gonna take the remaining part of the pant and gonna make a pinafore out of it. So first I'm gonna measure the waistband of the new pant. I want the wash of the side seams as it is, so I'm not gonna do anything from that. So I'm gonna measure 6 inches from the side seams and gonna mark it and make a straight line and cut it, leaving 0.25 seam allowance. So I joined them straight and gave it a top stitch, and it looks somewhat like this. Now it perfectly fits on the waist. So now I'm gonna take out the back pockets by cutting it, leaving some seam allowance so that I can sew it later on. I'm going to use the pockets at the front part of the pinafore, so I'm going to distress it a little bit. Then I'm going to attach the pocket to the center front and stitch it like this. Then I'm going to take the remaining part of the back band and create a back part of the pinafore. So from the whatever remaining long part I have, I'm gonna create a stripe measuring almost 1.5 or 1.25 inches. So I'm gonna cut almost a stripe measuring 3 inches and gonna fold them in half and stitch it to make a long stripe. Now I'm gonna take this little front mid part of the pant and gonna create the back pinafore of the pant. I just need a fabric to hold the strap at the front, so I'm just gonna cut it by eyeballing it. You can just simply cut a square shape. It does not need any particular measurement. Now we have the front and back small part of the pinafore, and I'm gonna attach the stripe to the buckle. After I'm done attaching the buckle, now I'm gonna create a button and a buttonhole to the pinafore and the pant. So I'm gonna create buttonhole to the pinafore and button at the flip side of the waistband. So this way the pinafore is adjustable and you can either wear the pant with pinafore or without pinafore. So yeah, it's a two-way pant. So I'm gonna do the same on the back side as well. Make a little square at the back side and attach the strap to the back part of the pinafore, and then I'm gonna add button to the front part and I'm done. So that's it guys, that's how you turn your ill-fitting or unfitting jeans into this kind of color block pinafore pant, or you can also call it a rocky pants for the summer. I'm gonna wear it a lot for this summer, and I really like the fact that the side color block makes my leg look longer. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like this video, and I hope you also turn your ill-fitting jeans into this kind of pants. So I suggest you not to throw any of your jeans. I hope you like this video guys, and if you like this video then please give it a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos, DIY refashion, and I'll see you this Saturday with a very new styling tip video, and next Thursday with a very new refashion video again. Till then, bye and take care.